Hi there, in this video I will show you how to sign up as advertiser on Propeller ads. So for this click on start. Now here choose advertiser or publisher. We will go with advertiser. Then choose account type. So I will go with individual here. If you are company then you can go with company. Then add your personal information, your city, country and your first last name, your address, email and phone number. Now scroll down and there you have some questions to answer. So tell us about yourself. So I will go with affiliate, then campaign target. So we can go with app promotion. Then we have verticals you work with. Choose the option here that suits you most. And from here, how did you know about us? So I will write YouTube. Check this box and then click on sign up. So in this way, you can sign up on Propeller ads as advertiser. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.